Hey guys, it's Tyler. Today I'm going to show you how to install a men's frontal hair unit just like this one. You're going to need very little things. Just get you a hairbrush, some rubbing alcohol, and some lace wig adhesive. Now I use this one. You can use whatever you like, but I find that this holds the best with someone who sweats a lot like myself. So I do prefer this. It is a little bit difficult to get off, but with like some really hot water and a little time, you can kind of pick it away. It's not that difficult. So let's get into the first step. What I like to do is brush all of my hair back, just like this. And then I want to make sure that there's no oils on my hairline. So I spray some alcohol, use a cotton swab, whatever you like, and just wipe that away. Then what I like to do is also spray this backing just to make sure I get all the oil and glue residue off of there. Once that's done, I'm going to apply my wig adhesive. Now, I concentrate the majority of the adhesive on the ends here. And then I just do a very thin layer around the perimeter. All right, so the glue has been applied to the unit itself. I'll show you, it's clear so you can't really see it. But now I'm going to attach it to my head. So once again, I brush back all those little baby hairs. Sometimes I'll shave them if it's a little excessive, might as well. I'm just going to line this up. So I take that deep curve here in the middle. I just line it up with my nose. I got a mirror in front of me. I line it up with my nose to find the center. There's the center. And then I carefully attach it right at the hairline. So just like that. And I pull mine kind of taut. I find that it kind of helps with keeping it smooth, no wrinkles, that sort of thing. Now, once this is on your head, you're gonna look a little crazy at first. You can use a bandana, whatever you want. I have one of these like little stretchy elastic bands, and it's nasty and full of glue, so don't judge me. But basically what I'm gonna do is take that and let that glue dry. All this is gonna do is help keep that hairpiece in place until it does dry. And then after that, I will style it, and I will come back with a finished look. All right, guys, this is the final result. I just threw in a little leave-in conditioner, dampened my hair, and let it air dry. As you can see, it looks like all of this is growing out of my scalp. Their hair pieces are amazing. I highly recommend them. If you're a man, if you're a woman suffering from hair loss, there's a little bit of something for everyone. So please go check out Superhairpieces.